Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about the best mattresses on Amazon. You guys, this one is my pick for hot sleepers. If you are constantly hot and sweaty at night and having trouble feeling comfortable with your mattress, then you need a cooling mattress, and this is a great pick. It's super affordable. Check out Zinus. They have amazing mattresses, great reviews. They really stand by their product too, with great warranties, so you can buy from them with confidence. But this is their 10-inch gel cooling green tea infused memory foam mattress. You guys, this is absolutely incredible. It's really unique because it has this cooling formula. It's built specifically with that cooling incentive in mind. They want to make sure that you are nice and cool and comfortable while you're sleeping. It has a green tea infused in the top layer, as well as this cooling gel. It's their special formula infused into the foam to keep you comfortable, keep you cool. This is one of those bed in a box things, so it's gonna come to you in the big box. Don't worry, I promise within 72 hours, any odors will go away and it will be its full, nice, big, fluffy size to where you can comfortably sleep on it. You guys, this is also CertiPUR certified, so you know that all of the ingredients in the mattress, or all of the materials used in the mattress, are safe, non-toxic, and you can trust putting your skin close to them and on them. You know that this is only made of quality materials. So you guys, go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be super happy you did.